Just inland from the million-dollar views of the Monterey Peninsula, Salinas is known for its rich California history and even richer farmland. Now, if you're looking to preserve some wealth on your next visit, try Motel 6 Salinas South. It's got the lowest price of any national chain. Located less than a mile from the Salinas Airport and close to area attractions like the Salinas Sports Complex, the California Rodeo, Laguna Seca Raceway, and the famous Monterey Bay Aquarium, this Motel 6 offers plenty to see and do. It features rooms that are clean and comfortable and come equipped with basic amenities like free HBO, available Wi-Fi, and a modern bathroom. Other guest conveniences include on-site vending facilities and a lovely outdoor pool area. So next time you're near Monterey, save on lodging at Motel 6 Salinas South. We'll leave the light on for you.